In front of me is Black Shark Pad 7, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection. First of all, launch settings and scroll all the way down to reach system section at the bottom. Now click on Keyboard, on-screen keyboard and Gboard. Following that, tap on text correction and use this switcher next to autocorrection to switch it on or turn it off. If you decided you do want to enable it, I always recommend to also try this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. You can manage it thanks to this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!